Across America, projects once thought impossible are becoming reality. From underground tunnels to the world's most advanced factories. Powering the next generation of technology, transport, and exploration. This is how America is building its future.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Carter, and today we're taking a look at one of the most interesting projects currently happening in the United States. This massive bridge is Project 1, the first step in a high-speed rail revolution connecting America. It's a game changer for U.S. infrastructure.
Across America, a new era of engineering is rising. These projects were once considered impossible. Now, they are shaping the nation's future. America's high-speed rail network is transforming transportation. Precision foundations support trains traveling over 200 miles per hour.
Every alignment must be flawless.
Bridges rise to connect cities at record speed. Underground, machines the size of buildings carve new pathways. Futuristic stations redefine mobility. The future of travel is arriving.
Welcome to Project 2, Next Skyscrapers. This massive bridge project designed to advance the infrastructure.
America is building higher than ever before. Each beam lifts thousands of tons. The skyline is transforming. Smart glass reduces energy use. Engineered to survive the harshest conditions.
Project 3 is a massive new bridge project in the United States, set to transform transportation and boost the economy.
Project 3, massive solar farms.
Millions of panels capture sunlight. Power is transmitted across states.
Storing energy for the future.
Clean energy around the clock.
Welcome to Project 4, our coastal flood barriers. This massive new bridge project is a game changer for infrastructure and safety.
Rising seas are forcing America to rethink its coastlines. Engineers are designing walls strong enough to hold back the ocean. Each foundation anchors into bedrock beneath shifting sands. These structures weigh thousands of tons. When storms hit, these gates will close within minutes. Automation ensures rapid response to rising tides. Stronger walls mean safer cities. Stronger walls mean safer cities. Nature works alongside engineering. Every structure is tested against worst-case scenarios. A shield built to defend generations.
Project 5, Next-Gen Semiconductor Plants. This groundbreaking initiative thousands of jobs and ensuring global leadership.
Microchips power the modern world.
Precision begins with purity. Each wafer holds billions of transistors. Light carves circuits smaller than a virus. Perfection is mandatory.
Automation ensures flawless precision.
Even heat is carefully controlled. These plants consume power like small cities.
Security protects critical technology. America strengthens its technological independence. Project 6, Space Launch Facilities. This massive infrastructure project will create jobs and boost our economy.
All systems are go. T-minus 10. Ignition sequence start.
America is rebuilding its path to the stars. Every launch begins with an unshakable base.
Flame trenches redirect unimaginable heat. These towers rise over 300 feet into the sky.
These towers rise over 300 feet into the sky. Supercooled propellants demand extreme engineering. Behind every rocket is a room full of precision. Assembly happens at breathtaking scale. Safety systems protect both crew and structure. Every second is rehearsed before ignition. Power measured in millions of pounds of thrust. Project 7 is a massive new bridge construction project in the United States. Transcale is truly impressive.
The digital world lives inside buildings like these.
Thousands of servers process billions of requests. Light carries the world's data.
Cooling is critical for non-stop operation.
Power interruptions are not an option. Digital infrastructure demands physical security. Backup systems respond in milliseconds. Speed and reliability define the modern economy. These facilities never sleep.
Invisible highways power daily life.
Project 8 is a massive infrastructure initiative, building underground water tunnels as part of a new transform the region's infrastructure.
Beneath cities, hidden lifelines are expanding.
Machines the size of buildings dig through rock. Precision carving beneath millions of people.
Each ring reinforces the structure.
Flood protection begins underground.
Pumps can move millions of gallons per hour.
Air circulation ensures safe operations.
Built to last for decades. Built to last for decades. Every inch is inspected before activation. A hidden defense beneath the streets. Welcome to Project 9, Smart Highways. This mets our Megaproject using cutting-edge tech for safer, smarter travel. Roads are becoming smarter.
Sensors monitor traffic in real time. Lighting adjusts to weather and traffic. Designed for the next generation of vehicles.
Data directs the flow of millions.
Unit 7. Lane clear. Eye traffic now.
Bridges now monitor their own health.
Stronger surfaces extend lifespan.
Transportation shifts toward clean energy.
Real-time updates improve safety. The highway of tomorrow is here today.
Project 10 is a massive new bridge construction project, a key part of the National Hydrogen and Green Fuel Hubs initiative.
Electrolyzers split water into hydrogen and oxygen. America is investing in the fuel of the future. Pure water ensures efficient hydrogen production.
Hydrogen must be compressed for storage.
These tanks safely hold highly flammable gas. Pipelines connect production to industry. New fueling stations expand transportation options.
Heavy transport shifts toward zero emissions.
Industries reduce carbon footprints. Energy innovation becomes a global export. Hydrogen derivatives expand global reach. Data ensures efficiency and safety. Environmental impact is constantly evaluated. Clean energy infrastructure never sleeps. This is how America is building its future. A nationwide network takes shape.
First, isolate the system by closing this valve. Then purge the line with an inert gas. A new workforce powers the transition.